Making money online sounds complicated. But what if you could hit your first $1,000 without a website, without ads, and without experience? Here's the fastest way. Sell something valuable. It could be a digital product, a service, or even someone else's product through affiliate marketing. The key? You don't need to create a product to get started. Here's the step-by-step game plan. Pick a profitable niche, something people are already spending money on. Find an offer, a digital course, software, or service that solves a problem. Use a simple landing page to collect emails and follow up with automated messages. Drive free traffic using TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Let automation do the selling so you don't have to chase customers. The problem? Most people overcomplicate this. They spend months building websites and messing with tech instead of focusing on getting sales fast. That's why Systeme.io is perfect. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you build your landing pages, automate emails, and set up an entire business without coding, hiring, or wasting money. If you're ready to make your first $1,000 online, click the link below.